In this video, let's see what is Ringless voicemail and how to create and schedule Ringless campaign. Ringless voicemail delivers messages straight to voicemail without ringing the phone. It's personal, non-intrusive, and lets people listen when it's convenient. Now, let's see how to create Ringless campaign. In the navigation bar, click on Voice Outreach. In the Voice Outreach section, click on Create Ringless voicemail. Enter the campaign name. Select callback number. Select a voice to send in the campaign. You can add new voices in the voice section in the menu if wanted. Select the recipient. In the form, click the Continue button. Here, you can preview the campaign details. In the form, clicking on Schedule for later, you can schedule the campaign. Once you've scheduled your campaign, simply click the Start Campaign button to launch it. In the pop-up, click on View All Campaigns. Here, you can view the list of your campaigns. Click on the View button to view the details of the campaign. Thank you for your time.